I thought I would take you guys back over the Atigun Pass. Now, I've just been 168 miles into today's ride, and it's been very wet and yucky. But my plan, or my thought was, you know, there might be different weather on the other side of this pass, because it's not bad right now. Just kind of spitting, a little chilly. It's 49 degrees, but I'm assuming it's going to drop as I go up and over this mountain. But we're really hoping the other side is blue skies. Temperature's okay because I'm plugged in. I got my heated grips on with my hippo hands. I got a couple layers on underneath my pants, so pretty good. I did not eat breakfast this morning because I was just a little too anxious about this whole fucking ride today. Yeah, I had enough days built into this trip where I could have, you know, moved my schedule around, so I could have done this without any rain, and it would have worked out that way if my tire situation was done the way I originally wanted it to do. Oh, look at this. Yep, here's the Atigun Pass sign. Oh, I missed that on the other end. Let's go up this big huge mountain. Gotta say that Dalton is a road, that's for sure. You know, yesterday was beautiful. I had some sections that were pretty gnarly yesterday because they sprayed the calcium chloride, and my goodness, that stuff is slippery. I think that's worse than the rain, actually. But I don't want to say that until I get done this ride. Here we go up the hill. I'm liking this semi-dry dirt. Wow. Woohoo! There we go, Guzzi. You got this, girl. You got this, girl. You got this. This Moto Guzzi's been doing fantastic this trip. Had a few little issues, spoke, front rotor, but man, I've been putting this thing through hell on this ride. Rain, dirt, mud, Atigun Pass, the whole road. Woohoo! Look at this fucking place. 4,300 feet so far. This is where I got, this is where I filled my gas tank in my thing right there. We're not done yet, guys. We're not done yet. What you see is what I see. Oh, fucking A, baby. Yeah, 4,700 feet. Now we go down. Now we go down. Come on, show me some blue sky. Come on, Mr. Dalton. I've been saying a couple of little prayers to Mr. Dalton, asking for some help. Keep me safe. He knows how long I've been wanting to do this road. So far so good. I had some hairy sections, but I just slowed way down. Probably averaged 30 miles an hour 200 miles. Woo! This has been that big V-twin, just kind of engine braking, keeping me safe, going down the hill. Fucking A, baby! Yo! I am fucking pumped! This is what I'm talking about! Look at this! What a road! Oh my goodness. My heated gear is doing such a good job keeping my torso warm. I love these hippo hands. I am so glad I brought these two things with me. I gotta say, that first 100 miles from Dead Horse, like the first 50 is pavement, which wasn't bad. It just was pouring rain, really strong winds, and 44 degrees, right? So, yeah, you know what? I've done that in New England a million times. Now, doing that 5,000 miles from home in Dead Horse, Alaska is a little different. But then when the pavement ended and we got into the gravel, and it was like just loops, soupy, muddy, potholey. Just look at this! Look at this! What? So the next 50 was rough. It was rough. But this looks good, and I think I see the sun. Are you fucking shitting me? Yeah! Oh, you don't know how fucking happy I am. Oh. You know, last night I couldn't sleep. I woke up, I fell asleep early, and I woke up like at 12:30, and I was like, oh fuck, man. I was just like thinking about today and the rain and what am I gonna do, and looking at the weather. I'm like, oh my god, like I don't want to go back. I don't want to do it. Then I woke up this morning. I fell back asleep eventually. Woke up at 4:30. Kitchen opens at 4:30 at the Brooks Camp Lodge, where I stayed. I got a single room. They're not cheap. They're nice and clean. They have great food there. Fantastic food. It's all included in the rate of the room. And it was prime rib Sunday. But I went down for a big breakfast, and I was like really hung up on this whole thing. I was just like, you know, I just heard so many horror stories about this highway, and I'm not saying that I'm even remotely done, because the section between the Arctic Circle and Yukon River was a fucking mess the other day. Construction, it was just a shithole road. So that's not going to be fun. So by no means am I done this ordeal, but I will say this was a pretty big step getting over that pass. 69 miles to Coldfoot. I got 3 bars. My gauge says 118, which can't be right because I'm at 174, so that would be almost 300 miles. I can't imagine this bike getting 300 miles. I think it's 5.3 gallons, and I'm probably averaging 45, 48. So yeah, what's that over there? A sheep? What is that? Person? Piece of trash blowing in the wind? See that? Is it moving? No. Nothing, honey. I see sunshine! I see fucking sunshine! Yeah! Oh, thank you, Mr. Dalton! Thank you! The road is dry! Oh! Oh my gosh! Alright, we can turn all this off.